Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and some good vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be making two recipes. This is ackee with redderin and ackee with some jerk flavored chicken. So first we're going to jump into the ackee and redderin, and here are my ingredients that I will be using, and I will link the video down below of me deboning and working on the redderin, and here it is. And as I said, I split this in two. It's gonna be two. I'm gonna get two portions from that. So here I'm pouring some oil in my pot, and then I'm gonna add some garlic and just let that sizzle. So it's gonna sizzle for about a minute. Then I add my onion, so one onion, and go ahead and just saute those together until the onion is translucent, right? You can see through it. It's like clear and nice, right? And then when that is done, then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to add like some sweet peppers. So if you like that, add that, and if you don't, then I guess you don't add it. Yeah. So I added some bell peppers, pimento seed, what you call it, thyme, and spring onions or scallion, right? Yeah, some people call it spring onion, scallion. You know, us Jamaicans, it is scallion. So go ahead and saute those together, stir them up, and then we're going to leave this for about 2 minutes. But let me add some scotch bonnet pepper. You know, you want to flavor it up. So I covered it for about 2 minutes, not for long, 2-3 minutes, no long thing. And then now, as you can see, we stirred it up, stir, and then I added the redderin. And vibe some. Listen, you can eat this just like this, you know. All the veggies with the redderin alone. Yes, vibes fam, you can eat it. Yes, you can eat it just like this. But that's not what I'm going for, right? Stay focused. Stay focused. So give it a stir, combine everything together. So yes, and then just watch it bubble. Let's watch it bubble. So now let's cover it for about 2 minutes, 3 minutes, not a long time. We're just trying to infuse all the flavors together. And now let's add the ackee. Excitement. And then let's stir it up. Give it a nice little stir. Combine everything, and you want to take your time. But yeah, stir it up. Stir up everything. Combine everything. Combine, and then I'm gonna add some black pepper. Look at it. Black pepper time. So you can cover this for about 5 minutes. A nice 5 minutes, infuse all the flavors, and then bam, this is us. And here we have it, vibes fam. Here we have this delicious pot of ackee and redderin. If you know anything about redderin, if you've ever had redderin, you know that this is all of that and a bag of chips. All that and a bag of chips. So yeah, vibes fam, you need to try this one. Okay, let's jump into the next recipe. So this one is going to be the jerk chicken, right? Jerk flavored chicken and ackee. So I'm just showing you how I cut up the chicken. So just dice it up, nothing special. Get it to the size that you want it. So as you see, I just do like a thick triangle, and then just slice that in two. And then here it is. This is it. And now I'm gonna season it. Here are my ingredients. So let's jump in. So I am going in with onion powder, garlic powder, or granules. This is the granules. 1 tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning, about a teaspoon of green seasoning, and about a tablespoon and a half or a tablespoon of jerk seasoning. My. Let's rub it up. So here it is. All the pieces of chicken is nicely coated. So now let's get to cooking. And here are all the ingredients. So of course my pot, and I'm gonna put the chicken in. Yes, vibes fam. And because it's not chicken with bone, you know, it's boneless chicken, then trust me, it cooks in no time. So let's spread out the chicken. Let's give every pieces of chicken a little space for themselves. Give them some room. Let's make some room. So yeah, just allow it to brown or to get a little color on this side. And when it gets it, flip it over. So maybe like 4 minutes on each side or so. Don't take long to cook, I promise you. And then just flip it over. And once I flip over everything, then I'm going to just start stirring up everything, right? So yeah, this is looking like it now. This is perfect. This is the perfect color. So I'm just gonna go ahead now and add it to a glass bowl. So like 8 to 10 minutes vibes, some, and it cook and finish and done. Right? So let's add it to a glass bowl. So just do yours until it cook, and you can taste it too and see if the flavor is ready for you and all that, because you need to make sure that it tastes good, right? While you're cooking, you should be tasting your food. So yeah, vibes, some, that is it. Set that aside. Now let's add a little oil to our frying pan, and we're going to add some onion, saute that until translucent. You know how it goes, right? And then next I'm gonna go in more than likely with what? Some garlic. Yes. Add some garlic. Yes. So I mean, add any amount of garlic. If you only want 2 cloves, then 2. If you want 4, 5, 10, then add what you want, right? Chop them up small, mince the garlic, and add it. I left that for about 2 minutes. Then now I'm adding all the bell peppers, all the colors of the rainbow. Add those, stir them up, and you're going to leave them too for the same 2-3 minutes. So yeah, vibes, Sam. Now I'm adding dried thyme and give that a stir. You're trying to get all these flavor infused. Trust me, when you saute your veggies, saute these is the best thing you can do for your pot. So now I'm adding the chicken, the jerk flavored chicken. And we're gonna combine. Let's combine, vibes. Oh, Lord have mercy. Oh, my skin is just catching a fire. And looking at this like this, you know what I would eat this with? Like a nice, like some white rice. Yes, I would eat this with some white rice. So good. So yeah, vibes, combine that and look at it looking so good. I'm going to add some, what you call it again? Ground, what is it called? So I'm going to leave it for about 2 minutes, but then I'm going to add some ground pimento. Yes, I'm adding some ground pimento. Here it is. I'm adding some ground pimento. So instead of pimento seed, I'm adding ground pimento. Mix that up. So you can use pimento seed if that's what you have, right? No biggie. So stir that up. Yes. Nice. And now let's add the ackee. Ackee, come true. Ackee, you look nice and clean. And if you use the canned ackee vibe, Sam, please make sure you use like a kettle full of hot water and wash off the water that comes in the can with the ackee. That's the trick to using canned ackee. So I added some scallion. And yeah, mix that up, stir that up. So everything that comes in the can, the callaloo, the ackee, always wash off the water that it comes in, right? So whether salt water, anything. And leave this for 5 minutes. And here we have it, vibes fam. Here we have this delicious pot of what? Ackee and jerk chicken. Like, oh my goodness. Just nice, like a little twist, you know. I mean, if it's because some people don't like saltfish. So for those who like saltfish but you love don't like saltfish but you love chicken, listen, try this ackee and chicken. Good. And especially when you flavor up your chicken. So you can do it regular way or you can do it this way with the jerk. Anyway, nice. And this nice too with plain rice, boiled dumpling, yam, anything that you want to add it with. But yeah, thank you so much for watching Vibes Sam and for hanging out with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Please hit the thumbs up button. It helps my channel. And share my video, please. Thank you. God bless you.